Public and private keys. Once you have your first cryptocurrencies in your wallet, then you probably want to know how to send your coins or tokens, and how does this process work? In order to make transactions, the money and the information has to be encrypted so no one other than the recipient has access to receive this money or use the information sent. This is where the public and private keys come into play. Public and private keys are long numbers with a lot of digits that are tied to your account. They are completely unique for every account. Public keys, like the name implies, are visible for everybody, while private keys should be kept secret. The function of the keys is that if data is encrypted with someone's public key, then it can only be decrypted with this person's private key, and vice versa. For example, if Jim wants to send Susan sensitive data, then Jim uses Susan's public key to encrypt the data, and then sends it to Susan. Once Susan receives the encrypted document, she can use her private key to decrypt the message. If for some reason the message also ends up in the hands of, let's say, David by mistake, he wouldn't have any means of decrypting the message because he doesn't know Susan's private key. Thus, the information is kept safe.